Hey there, Islanders. It's Miss Griggs here. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to your Chemistry 1 Honors Choice Board activity options. All right, so we're going to start out by looking at my Schoology page here, and you're going to scroll down and find the Choice Board activity folder. Okay, first thing in this folder is the Choice Board activity PDF, which gives you a basic rundown of what your options are for these activities. Okay, so this choice board is designed so that you can have the opportunity to make some of your own choices regarding the curriculum and give you the option to be creative in your science courses. So you're going to select one of these two labs, and then you will do two of these projects, one from Group A and one from Group B. Now, each of these projects is hyperlinked to the Schoology assignment, and then within each of the Schoology assignments and let me just click on one, I'll show you. In each assignment, there is the PDF of what all of the project requirements are, and then there's also a video link right here and right here of me going over the project, showing you a couple of examples and things like that, so that you know where to start with your project. Okay, and that is for all of the different options that you have. Okay, now let's go back to the choice board. So you will select two projects and one lab. Your lab options are the material identification using density lab, which is very similar to your determining density lab that you did at the beginning of the semester. This is the only assignment on the choice board that you are able to complete with a partner. Everything else has to be completed individually. And this one you do have to complete in person because you use a set of density rods in the classroom. The building a molecule PhET is an online simulation lab that you will complete by yourself. If you choose to do the material identification lab, you do have to tell me who your partner is, and I do have to approve that partnership. In terms of projects, we have two groupings of projects, Groups A and Group B. Group A are the more academically based projects, and Group B are the more creatively based projects. Okay, in Group A, you'll choose one of these two projects, either the atom project, where you select your favorite atom and you create a booklet with all sorts of different information in it, or the periodic trends project, where you generate your own periodic table about something that you're interested in, a topic that you really love, and you create your own periodic table using whatever it is your topic is. Again, both of these have to be approved, the topic, so either the element or what your topic for your periodic trends project is. The other group, Group B, these are the more creatively based projects, so not so heavy on the academics, more creative based. The first one is the mole project, where you will either create a mole based game or a stuffed mole, and there's a couple of other options in that one, but that one's going to center around the mole unit, which is Unit 6. Then we have the Global Scientist Awareness Project, which this is our diversity project that we do here in chemistry so that you can become aware of our lesser known minority scientists and how important they have been in the science community. And then last creative option for Group B is a gratitude journal. You guys know Miss Griggs is all about daily gratitude, and for this project you would be keeping a gratitude journal for 2 weeks and submitting your journal at the end of those 2 weeks. Now I will be assigning the due dates and all of that stuff as we get closer to the project, and I will definitely let you know about those due dates well in advance. Now, once you have gone through and read through the different projects, their requirements, and all of that stuff. Maybe watch the videos. You're then going to take some time to complete the Chem 1 Honors Choice Board Activity Lab and Project Selection Schoology quiz. And on this quiz, you're going to tell me which lab you're going to do, and then if you do decide to do the material identification lab, who your partner is going to be, or who your desired partner is. Again, I have to approve partnerships. And then for groups, for the projects, you'll choose one of Group A and then one of Group B as well. Now, once you have selected the projects, you are locked into doing those projects. You cannot change your mind. You have to continue forward with the ones that you selected. So please be very mindful of which projects you choose to do. And if you have any questions about the projects, please ask prior to completing this quiz. Okay. Now, like I said before, all of the projects and all of the labs are already in here, so you can go through and have a look at them and look at them in detail about what each requirements are and all of that good stuff before you make your selection. Okay. Now, if you have any questions about your projects, please do not hesitate to reach out. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day, and go am I.